Derivatives trading involves substantial risk of loss and is not suitable for all investors. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future results. So what's happening here is it's about 20 minutes after the ES open. We've had an uptrend and we've tested back down to VWAP, and you can see that on the footprint chart on the right. And there was some absorption there at VWAP. And what I'm seeing now is buyers coming in and pushing this up, and so I'm anticipating a breakout. What I want to see here is I want to see aggressive buying, which we're seeing, and I want to see that every time it ticks back and they start hitting the bid, the buyers stack their bids. And so you see that 185, 194, 317. Every time it ticks back and they start hitting the bid, there's hidden liquidity there that's willing to absorb that. And so I'm just waiting to see if the buyers come in more aggressively and are going to actually promote this breakout that I'm expecting. And if that's the case, then I'm going to go ahead and try and scalp this long. What I'm not doing is I'm not trying to swing this. That's possible, but I'm not trying to swing this. That's not my strategy. So I'm looking for quick little bursts. I'm looking for, number one, a good entry price. Number two, a quick little burst, and then to get out. Now we see really strong buying there, right? And we see 580 contracts, 600 stacking up on the bid. And so now I'm definitely looking to get long. I put in a limit order there at 1450, hoping to get filled. I get filled, and I immediately put in a sell limit order one tick above. Now I could have scraped a few more ticks out of that, probably should have, if it would have happened a little bit faster than I could have. But I still think that this breakout is occurring, so I'm going to go ahead and put in another limit order at 1525 to get long. And you see how that 927 contracts absorbed right above me is kind of acting as a buffer. So I was planning on leaning on that. It ticked down a little bit, but we still get absorption down there, and then immediately the buyers come in strong. So I go ahead and put in a limit order to get out at 2716, and that's the entire trade. It's 2 trades. It's done, and so I think I'm going to maybe put together one of these a day or a couple a week just to show you some good scalping setups. Let me know if you like it and if they're useful.